Let's be honest, this phone we are holding is a distraction factory to all of us. But what if I tell you that you can turn this around, make it help you do a lot, organize yourself, and even work smarter? In this video, I show you how you can turn your phone into a full-on productivity machine. All these tips I'm going to give you, most of them are free of charge. If you are new here, this is Ibrahdaily, where tech meets simplicity. Let's get into it. Step number 1 is to clean your clutter. This is a simple step but powerful. Here, I encourage you to organize your home screen. Remove those apps that you do not need or you do not use more often. Leave only the productivity apps on your home screen. The goal is to reduce distraction. When you do this, it will help you to work even more better and you'll be productive at the end. Step number 2 is to install these productivity apps. Now, let's be honest, these productivity apps are the apps that are going to do the heavy lifting for you so that your work becomes even faster. One of the apps I want you to install is the Todoist or the Microsoft To-Do app. This kind of app manages your tasks and your checklist. The second app is the Notion app. The Notion app is a very popular app for you organizing your resources that you find online, be it video resources, blog, or any research you've done concerning any content or research put together in what we call the Notion workspace. This organizes your work and makes it easy for you to access it the next time you would need it. That's the second app. The third app I recommend you to install as a productivity app is the Google Keep. This app stores all your notes and your memo, voice memo for that matter, and syncs it across all your devices so that you can easily access it when you hop onto your laptop or any other device you are using on your Google account. Step number 3 is to take control of your notification. Now, every ping you hear is a distraction. It means loss of concentration. So you have to control your notification. How do you do that? Go straight into your notification setting and turn off the notification for all the apps that you don't need immediately. On the other hand, if you need deep focus, then you have to set do not disturb mode. And that means that you are deeply focused. You don't want any distraction at your work or within your study. Step number 4 is automation. Now you can automate your phone to kind of do certain things that are routine so that you don't have to think about it. Less thinking, more work being done. When I talk about automation, things like turning off Wi-Fi during bedtime. You can set it and your phone will obey, and then turning on the To-Do app early in the morning so that it can remind you, then you enter your tasks for the day, and that is automation. It makes you do things easily and then ensures productivity. Step number 5. This step is the amazing one for me personally, is the amazing one for me. Now, this is turning your phone into a mini workstation. By connecting your phone to a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, or a Bluetooth mouse. By doing that, boom, you have a mini workstation. This helps you to type your document faster, your email, or any research that you are doing or typing that you are doing on your phone. It makes it even faster. And you can even edit your videos with that and without needing any laptop. Remember, this phone is a tool. Now, how you would tweak it would determine how it will work for you or it will work against you. If you have learned anything new here from this video, give us a thumbs up or smash that subscribe button and then leave us a comment below. Now I want to know which one is your favorite productivity app. I just want to know. Thank you for staying this long. Bye.